Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course on Microsoft Teams Fundamentals. My name is Jennifer Bucholz. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and subject matter expert, and I've been working with the Microsoft products for the last 25 years. I love sharing tips on how to use all the tools in the Microsoft 365 platform. There are many ways to collaborate in Teams, and I'm excited to teach you how to use those features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who are new to Microsoft Teams. We'll start by logging into Teams from the browser and the desktop app. Then we'll create one-on-one chats, create and modify group chats, and manage the chat list. Next, we'll distinguish between teams and channels, and join and create teams. We'll also create channels and manage our teams and channels. Then we'll look at setting up and joining a meeting and using meeting controls. From there, we'll open shared files from Teams, copy and share links, and view files in SharePoint. In our last lesson, we'll review and modify notification settings, use the mention features, and manage tags. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and use the main features in Microsoft Teams. As you go through this course, I recommend you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you so you can do the activities right along with us.